have a DT-based delivery on the topic Smart Home Automation for the elderly care. Let's discuss.
The world's population is aging rapidly, and mainly elderly individuals want to live independent in their own homes for as long as possible. However, aging can bring various challenges such as declining physical and cognitive abilities. Smart home automation system can help to address these challenges by providing a safe, comfortable and supportable living environment. Design thinking in human-centered approach to innovative and design thinking is the human-centered approach to innovation that could be used in designing smart homes automation system that meets the needs and their expectation for the elderly individuals and the caregivers by empathizing the users and defining the problem statement, ideating the potential solution and prototyping and testing the intuitive, easy to use and effective by improving the quality of living and elderly individuals.
I'm going to explain the empathize phase. The empathize phase stage involves understanding the needs, pain points and behavior of elderly individuals and their caregiver. This can be achieved through conducting interviews. Conduct in-depth interviews which elderly individuals and their caregivers give a deeper understanding of their needs, pain points and behavior. Secondly, observing user behavior. Observe user behavior is to gain a deeper understanding of their daily routines, habits and challenges. Thirdly, gathering feedbacks. Gathering feedback from user to understand their needs and preferences. Some of the potential insights that may be gathered during the empathize stage includes elderly individuals may struggle with daily tasks such as bathing, dressing and managing their medications. Caregivers may experience stress, burnouts and caring for elder individuals. Lastly, elderly individuals may feel isolated and disconnected from their communities.
The define stage involves defining the problem statement and identifying key requirements for the system. This can be achieved through defining the problem statement, defines a clear problem statement such as design a smart home automation system that enables elderly individuals to live independently and safely in their own homes. The second one is identifying key requirements. Identify the key requirements for the system such as ease of use, security, integration with existing devices and system personalization and scalability. The third one is developing user personas. To develop user personas to guide the design process including elderly individuals with varying levels of cognitive and physical ability, caregivers with different level of technical expertise and healthcare professionals. Some potential key requirements that may be identified during the defined stage includes the system should be easy to use and intuitive for elderly individuals. The system should provide a high level of security and protection for user data. The system should be able to integrate with existing devices and systems such as wearable devices and healthcare system.
Okay, now the ideal stage. The ideal stage involves generating a wide range of potential solutions and ideas. This can be achieved through brainstorming sessions, that is, conduct brainstorming sessions to generate a wide range of potential solutions and ideas. Then exploring technologies. Explore various technologies that can be leveraged to support the system such as IoT devices, machine learning algorithms, voice assistants and cloud-based platforms. Next, developing concepts. Develop concepts for the system including user interfaces, automation protocols and data analysis and insights. Some potential ideas that may be generated during the ideal stage includes automated lighting and temperature control systems that can be controlled using voice commands or mobile apps. Medication reminders and alerts that can be sent to users and caregivers. Fall detection and emergency response system that can detect.
Okay, now the prototype stage. The prototype stage involves developing a working prototype of the system. These can be achieved through developing a prototype. Develop a prototype of a system using a combination of hardware and software components. Testing assumptions. Test assumptions about the system's functionality and usability using user testing and feedback. Interacting and refining. Interact and refine the prototype based on the feedback and testing results. Some potential benefits of prototype includes identifying and addressing potential issues and challenges early in the design process, gathering feedback and insights from users and stakeholders, refining and improving the systems of meet the needs and expectations of user.
So let's see the last stage. The last stage is nothing but the test. The test stage involves the evaluating the effectiveness of the system in improving the quality of the life of the elderly individuals and the caretakers' burdens. So these are achieved through three stages. First one is conducting user testing, evaluating effectiveness and gathering the feedbacks. The first one, let's see detail. The conducting users testing, conducted by the elderly individuals and caregivers to gather feedback and identify the areas of improvement, and evaluating the effectiveness to like the system in improving the quality of the life for elderly individuals and reducing the caregiver burdens, and gathering the main feedbacks from the stakeholders and even the people who need through this application. And now let's see some potential benefits using this test stage. Identifying the areas for improvements and refinement, and evaluating the effectiveness of the system in the meeting and the needs of the and expectation of the users, and gathering the feedbacks and insight from the users and the stakeholders.
To conclude, we have seen what is smart home automation for the elderly people. So we saw that many different devices, many different IoT devices are connected together to lead a healthy and peaceful life for the elders.